8.31. Anyone get anything different? 8.31, she said. What did you get, Kinray?
She got 13 point.
13, just 13? Okay, 13. And what did you get?
8.31.
8.31. What did you get, Edgar?
130 point.
330?
130 point.
130. Okay. 83.2. Is that what you got? What did you get?
8.31.
8.31. Oh, okay. You didn't round. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and do this one together to see what we did wrong. So what percent of 125 is 104? Okay. So what percent of 125 is 104? How do we write this? Can someone tell me how are we going to write this to solve it? Perla.
Oh, 104 over 125.
104 over 125
Equals x over 100.
equals x over 100. Because we were trying to find the percent, right? What percent? We don't know what the percent is. We always know the percent is going to be over 100 though, right? Okay, and we know 104 is the top part of, is the bottom part. Okay. Okay, what do we need to do next? Can someone else tell me what we need to do next?
So we have to cross product.
Okay, raise your hand. Tristan, raise your hand. What do we need to do, Tristan?
We have to cross product.
Cross product. Okay, and what do we get when we cross product? Can someone else tell me what we get when we cross product? You got it, Humberto? So we got 125x. Is that right? 2,400? Everyone get that? I'm not checking, I'm depending on you guys.
No,
No?
I thought 10,400.
10,400?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. 10,400. Okay. What do we need to do next? Raise your hand. Perla.
Right?
Divide what?
125.
125. Why do we gotta divide by 125? Or what do we need to divide 125 by?
125 over 125 and 10,400 over 125.
Okay. So what happens to 125 on this side? Cross it out. So now we gotta divide 125 into 10,400, right? Okay. Who wants to divide this with me? Besides Perla. Any more volunteers? Julia, how about we do it together? Okay. Julia, how many times can 125 go to 1? 0, 10, 4, and now 1,040. 8 times? 8 times 125 is what? 1,000. So what are we left with? 40. Now we bring down 0, right? How many times can 125 go to 400?
3 times.
I'm sorry?
3 times.
3 times? 3 times 125?
375.
375? Now we're left with 25. What do we do now? For the decimal, what do we do with the decimal? Bring it up. Add 2 zeros, we could just add 1 for now, right? Let's add 1 for now. Now, 125 into 250.
1 time.
Are you sure? That's what happened.
2 times.
2 times. 125 times 2? correctly, okay? Double check your answers. Okay, go ahead, put everything away. Get a scratch piece of paper for your quiz. Julia. Okay. Remember, if it tells you to round, you need to round this time. Okay, ready? What is 100 and what percent of 125 is 104? Got it round. Okay, but I'll give it to you because you did get the precise number, but we forgot to round again. You need to round. If it tells you to round, especially on your quiz, you need to round. Okay, one more. 15. You ready? You get my timer ready? What is 6.1% of 60? Remember, round to the nearest tenth. Round to the nearest tenth this time, everybody. Go to the 10th place in a number. Seconds. And what did you get again, Jennifer? 189.4. Did anyone get anything different? Julia?
188.6.
188.6. So we have to double check our multiplication on that. We messed up somewhere with our multiplication. Let's see. Sorry. 188.6. Okay, Julia, go ahead and get your prize. We have 2 more left, 2 more practice problems. Double check it. We have 2 more seconds. Hurry. You get a prize. Okay, next. Few more names in here. Joseph. Percent of a number. Okay. Let me set my timer. Ready, go. Find 25% of 100. And those of you that already got something, I'm running out of names, so might have another chance. Just saying.
Oh yeah, I was getting the 5.
Someone else get something different than 12.5. Joseph.
22.5.
What was it?
22.5.
22.5. Did someone else get anything different than 22.5? Jennifer. 2.25. So someone multiplied wrong over here, someone did not move the decimal correctly over here. Okay? Remember, it can make all the difference. 22.5 is a completely different answer than 2.25. Good job, Jennifer. Everyone else who did it? Hope everyone else did it. Okay. Still trying to wake up from the time change? Okay, Daniel, go ahead and pick the price. Umberto. Percent of a number. Okay, last one for percent of a number. Hold on, let me set my timer.
So we still have to
Okay.
do the 5.
What is 0.25% of 900? Don't let this one trick you guys. Remember, there's a decimal already there. There you go. Go ahead and pick your guys. Next. Prola. You did? Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know. Daniel Lopez.
Percent of a number?
Percent of a number, 20 or 25?
20.
20. Okay, go. What is 82.5% of 400? And so we don't know what the bottom number is, the whole number, right? So it's going to be x. Okay? So that's why if you're confused when you see it, write it out. So you can try to figure it out and then you can do your cross product after that, okay? Okay. We'll do a few more before we start our quiz. Hopefully we get to all of them. Erica. Oh, hold on, Erica. You got one already. Let me go ahead and go to someone. I haven't had a chance. Julia. Which one? 15. Okay. Ready? Got your pencil ready? Everyone has their pencils ready? Okay, ready, set, go. So find 80% of 80. So 13 is 26% of what number? So 13 is 26% of what number? Is goes where? Did we originally say? Is it the top or the bottom of the fraction? The part or the whole? Is and of. Is it at the top? Of is at the bottom. So is should be where? 13 is 26% of what number? You want to look at your notes? You have your notes for 7.2 right there? .4%. If it's a percent, what do we know?
It's over 100.
It's over 100. Good, Tristan. It's a percent. You already know. Okay, this is over 100.
But that's over 100, so that means the 13 will be on top and what's supposed to be over.
Good. What is I'm sorry, 10.4% of what number is 13? What number is 13, it says. And is usually what?
No.
Is the part, right?
Oh, okay.
And of is what? The whole. Good. Is and of. Remember we learned that? Okay, next one. Tristan. Hold on. Okay.
Missing value 25.
Missing value. 25. Let's see. Okay, 14% of 81 is what number?
The part?
It's the part you say?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. The part. Good job, Tristan.
The missing value 10.
The missing value. Missing value 10. Okay, 10.4% of what number is 13?
The whole.
The whole? Good. The whole. Good job. Go ahead and what do we need to do to find the percent? Change the percent to what? A fraction or a decimal. Is that what you did, Angelica? You changed it to a decimal. How do you change it to a decimal, Ivan? With a decimal what?
To the right.
No, to the left. That's what happened. So now you know your mistake, okay? Okay, next. Percent of a number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Come on, 10. Remember, we didn't do 5 yet. I just clicked on it by accident. Okay. So once you find 58% of 200, go ahead and start. 13. Percent? Good. Well, let's make sure. What percent of 65 is 13? It's the percent. Good job, Daniel.